All right, guys, so here we are. We're on the YouTube right now. As you guys can see, CrazyHondaChris.com. I'm using the Internet Explorer right here. You can get on the internet from your touch screen, all right? Let me show you where that's at, and let me show you how to connect it, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is gonna go to Home. We're gonna select this right here. Internet browser right there for you guys, all right? Now, before you start going all happy with it, you have to still connect it, all right? So first step, on your phone, make sure you have your hotspot enabled. Make sure it's on. Make sure you know the password, because you're gonna need to know this stuff, all right? Now, once you have that written down and you know what it is, you have it set up, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now, you want to confirm that your Wi-Fi on-off status is on, because if it's not on, if it's off, you would not connect, even though if you follow these next proper steps, all right? So check on that. So when that's done, you go to your network list. Maybe right underneath here, you can find yours. I'm Crazy Honda Chris. I already paired it. I tapped it. I typed in the password, and it connects from there. So now I'm all connected from that point. Using my hotspot, I can go back, and then I can use the YouTube. All right, I want to share a little more about this here too quick, so you guys have some visuals on how fast it works out, all right? So let's say I go over here to my YouTube channel, I pick a random video. Let's just do this one for the heck of it, right here, the sport. All right, give it a second to load up.
Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris.
Boom, right away. I got it on, it's playing. I can adjust the volume.
I'm going to show you all the cool standard features and functions.
All right.
I'm going to walk around this vehicle.
And you got your options, scroll up, down, as you guys can see, bring it out to the big screen. So there's a little delay, but hey, I can work with it. It's that nice and easy as I'm out there waiting for someone. There we go, guys.